Hi everyone, now I want to tell you about HTML and CSS basics. Uh, let's go. HTML and CSS basic. Basics firmly grabs it. Formatting. Formatting. You cannot change the output by adding extra spaces or lines in HTML code. The browser will ignore white space. The horizontal line HR, new line tag BR, white space. There are a variety of ways to introduce tab spacing, most of them using CSS. Special formatting text. Certain text usually has a conversational formatting. HTML has a few special formatting tags, useful respectively for code, pre for performance text, forces the browser to render white space as is. KBD for specifying keyboard's input, SAMP for specifying console output, code for specifying computer code, monotype font ignores white space. Text formatting. Use text for formatting's output, a list of formatting tags. B defines bold text. I defines italic text. Sub definition subscribes text. Sub definition subscribe text. Mark defines market highlight text. Hyperlink. The A tag defines hyperlink. A hyperlink is a word group of words or image that you can click on to jump to another web page. The href is the most important attribute, which indicates the link's destination. Let's example. The target attribute specified where to open the linked documents. Blank in a new window or tag. Self in the same frame as it was clicked. Default. Images. Image tag is always an empty tag. It contains attribute and has no closing tag. You need to use the CRC attribute. The value of this attribute is the URL of the image. Syntax. Example. Alt defines the text for an image when the image cannot be displayed. The width and height attributes define the size on the image. HTML table elements. To start off a table, use the table. A table consists of rows, tr. Each row is divided into data. Cells td. td stands for table data. A td tag cannot contain text. Links, images, lists, forms, and other table. List can be ordered and unordered. An ordered list starts with the UL tag. The ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each item starts with the lead tag. A description list is a list or item which describes or each term name. The DL tag defines a description list. DL is used with DT, definition item, and DD, description each item. HTML elements are either block level elements or inline elements. Block level elements start with a new line. AG, P, table, div. Inline elements are displayed without a new line. B, TD, A, image. Span element. Span element is an inline element that can be used as a container to text. Span element usually is used to set style to part of the text. Div tag. The div tag defines a division or a section in the HTML document. The div tag is used to group block elements to format them with CSS. CSS syntax. A CSS file consists of rules the set which defines the precision elements for a particular part of the HTML document. A CSS rule set consists of a selected and declaration block. A rule set has a selection and declaration block. The declaration block is enclosed in. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a property name and a value separated by a colon. To make the CSS code more readable, you can put one declaration on each line. H1, color, blue, font size 12 pixels. CSS comments. CSS comments following the multi-line C comment syntax. A CSS comment starts with slash and ends with slash. Comment can also span multiple lines and are ignored by browser. Single line comments can start with double slash. CSS selectors allow you to select and manipulate HTML elements. They are used to find HTML elements based on ID classes, types, attributes, value of attributes, etc. Typical selectors are one of three kinds: ID selector, element selector, class selector. And okay, that's all. Bye.